wintry weekend. Now, interestingly enough, there's some cold air just above us, and that is contributing to some of the snow returns that you see here on radar. So some of this is melting on its way down. Some of it might actually stay flurries as it gets all the way to the surface. You may see a little bit of both. But a few raindrops are possible out on the west side in the next few minutes. Some of that getting down into Grove City, Galloway, a little bit of that headed a little while from now into Obetz and eventually Canal. You'll find some of that on I-70 in Madison County. Might even be just a few flurries. So be prepared. It's going to move through pretty quickly. 41 right now at the airport. Feels like 35. Wind out of the south about 9 miles per hour. Your DR Horton America's Builder current conditions in Mount Gilead at 36. Bucyrus, Marion, and Mount Vernon at 37, but you're in the 40s south of I-70. A little bit of a wind chill, though. Marion feels like 30 right now. Delaware at 33, and New Lex at 39. So these real quick sprinkles and showers, quick snow flurries, not going to last long. Those will dry up, and we will end up with a mostly cloudy night tonight. Temperatures will fall into the lower 30s. So we'll get down to right about almost freezing, and then we'll start warming up again, even before the sun comes up, because we're going to have a good south breeze. 33 overnight tonight. Will stay mostly cloudy, breezy, and first thing in the morning, you see this breeze coming out of the south. That will help push the temperatures up even before the sun comes up. And, small milestone, tomorrow, 7 a.m. sunrise. So we're still adding about 2.5 minutes of daylight each day. Here's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Clouds are really thickening up by then. I think you might even see a few showers getting into Indianapolis or even western Ohio, just sprinkles to start with. But the bulk of the rain gets here in the evening, and then it lasts overnight. So Tuesday, later in the day, is when you start to get some of that rain moving in. It'll be with us for the first part of your Wednesday, and then on and off during the day on Wednesday. Everybody's going to get a shower, and it's going to get very windy. Wednesday, we could even have some wind gusts of 40-plus miles per hour. This will be a big system that's going to move through the Chicago area, but as it does, it's going to create very gusty winds for us as well. And behind it, it will drag in some colder air so that we end up with a little bit of rain-snow mix. Now, because those winds are going to be so strong on Wednesday, the eastern half of Ohio does have a chance at a storm that gets up to the criteria for isolated severe. So that means you'll have wind gusts that may be brief, but could get to severe levels and could cause a little damage. So we'll keep an eye on that very closely. In the meantime, tomorrow, you're dry for most of the day. It's going to be in the evening before a lot of that rain starts to get here, and the temperatures are going to climb towards 60 degrees on Tuesday. Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms, gusty winds. Some of that turns into a little rain-snow mix by